O, diba?
Asya.
Kasya.
See?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be guided. Oh, you. I just miss you now. What are you doing exactly? I don't know.
Linda ay amor, amor.
Good morning! Good morning, guys. Maaga kami. Akala ko ang alis namin mamaya pa. Hold on. So, anyway. Mag-ano lang ako sa taas. Good morning, mga ka-everything! Kumusta yung mga ka-everything ko dyan? Alam nyo, maginaw na dito. Sobrang ginawan. Alam nyo ba? I think ang virus is magrabe siya kapag ginaw. So, yun yung kinatatakutan ng lahat. And, aalis kami. Punta kami ng restaurant. Filipino restaurant. Today is, ano ngayon? Sunday? Nag-text si Mira kung pwede ba daw maaga. Anyway, so yun. And, magkilay lang tayo, guys, kasi. And, alam nyo ba, aalis pagkatapos doon, uwi na kami. Kasi, may kanya-kanya kaming gawa. Winter. Hindi ako masyadong mag-foundation kasi sobrang dry na yung mukha ko. And then, pag mag-foundation ako, ano siya, parang magka-crack-crack. Mag-foundation lang ako pag importante yung... Alay, no ko, dimples! My God! Anuhin ko lang yung sasakyan. Andun pa kasi yung mga sa sasakyan, guys. Yung mga binili ko para sa alaga kong hayop. Alaga kong hayop. Kunin, I think I have to stop to get gas. I don't know. So, andito ko. Look. Mga pagkain ng mga I don't know kung kailangan ko ng gas. Kailangan ko linisin dito. Sa ano. Iiwan ko ang asawa ko. Naglalaro ng games.
So it's 5 minutes already.
Ha?
It's already 5 minutes. I'm ready to go.
Hello guys! Alis na tayo. Kasi it's 10:30 na. And then magkita kami 11. And then yung drive kung saan ko i-meet si Mira. 16 minutes. Hello guys! So, alis na tayo. And
When the night is over, my life is over. 'Cause I start thinking again about our time together. When the night is over, my life is over. 'Cause I start thinking again about our time together.
Andito na si Merantot. Dito na si Mera. Hanap lang ako ng address nito, guys. Find address. United States. Hi guys, diri nami guys. Nagulat na lang, nahinintay na lang namin si Lloydie.
Good morning po sa lahat.
Asan kay si Lloydie?
Sit down.
No!
Sit down. This is the problem with you.
I don't want to sit down.
Kita ni mo siya.
Ha?
Wala nito bag.
Whatever that gold candy was, it was gold and it was a
Ano ito?
Ako di pa man ko katuugod may ragod nga na ako diri.
Oh, asta ko. Okay. Yeah. Pagkakuan kay, nakuan ba yung ito ako?
Hoy.
Ay? Ay? It's a no. Well, let me see. Hello?
Iyo ba? Sabi ko wala si ate May. Tinitingnan ko kasi parang walang tao sa unahan. Sabi ko, saan kaya? So, nag-ano, hi Max!
Meow.
Meow.
Tana, let's go na.
Good, let's.
Meow meow. Never.
Tita MaryAnn can do where?
Okay guys, andito na kami. So, naano pa kami?
Ito na lang dadaling ko.
Nasasaag pa kami.
Ano nasisaag rin?
Nasasaag. Ano yan sa Tagalog, nasasaag?
Nasaag?
Oo, nalulos. Hindi, Tagalog.
Nalito.
Nawala.
Nawala ka. Nawala. Where am I?
Okay, let's go.
Come with me.
Dito kami guys. Barbecue something.
11.
Hala. Max, careful. Max.
I think it's over here, Max.
Ano to dito? Oh, dito. Christmas na Christmas. Ang ganda ng puti ng Christmas. Oh. Ang bango. Nagutom tuloy ako. Ha? Tanaw natin. Marami para sila tinda guys. Oh, may barbecue sila. Oh. Tingin lang muna sa mga.
May crispy pata? Wala silang
Crispy pata.
Wala man lang.
Ano yan?
This one.
Ay, yun. Oh, naandun oh.
Ano kayo kainin natin?
Ha?
Kasi birthday.
Kahit isa lang. Kahit isa lang.
Isa lang.
Utang ba?
How do you
20 akong gikuha sa imo ha.
Ha?
20 akong gikuha sa imo na ako'y utang nimo. Ito guys, sarap guys. Kain lang kami. Kain lang kami guys ha, hindi na ako mag-vlog. Here, I'm here with Max. Oh, Max is here. Oh, look at him. Hey, Max.
Don't do that. That's not being nice. You should say hi to your viewers.
Si Lloydie walang nakain.
Kumain ako kanina.
Parang wala ka. Kawawan na si Lloydie kanin lang.
Kasi may sabaw. Sa akin.
Tapos na guys, nagmask ko kasi may kiki. May kiki po ako. Kaya, yun. Ang daming Pilipino dito guys. Guys, ang daming Pilipino.
look for McDonald's?
May kiki po ako. May kiki.
May cake.
May
Mug
kiki.
beak?
Kasi ka nakakaawa. Rice lang yung kinain mo.
Ayun yung pagkain ko, oh. Wait, hold on. Bigyan ng pera.
Ibalik ko yung pera.
No. Wait, saan ba ito? Direction.
Maba.
Tika. Inano ko. Anong lugar ito?
Nanuet. Or Spring Valley.
Guys, ito yung problema guys kapag mag-drive at saka ano.
Over my dead body.
Over my dead
Nawawala na
body,
naman kami.
I
Maghahanapan
just
kami ng
from
signal.
the party.
Walang signal talaga as in. And then si Lloydie palaging sabi, dito man tama man yun niya ako. Ito yung pinaano ko talaga. Ba't nalaman mo na doon?
Kasi nadaan kami dun minsan. Nadaan kami dun. Alam ko pwede rin dito.
Punta sana kami
Bear Mountain.
Bear Mountain pero si Lloydie na lang bahala. Ako mag-drive, si Lloydie bahala.
Number.
si Mira natawa. Sa ako na-drive, si Lloydie bahala.
Oh, we're going to the circle.
Ha?
See? Pag mag-circle na, and then we're gonna have to go.
Oh, Bear Mountain,
to Bear Mountain.
O, kayo na bahala. Wala ng GPS ha. Kayo na bahala kung saan tayo malarga.
You just gonna have to make into the right. See Bear Mountain State Park. You don't need to go in circle.
Okay, just
You
go
just
to the
gonna
right.
have to stay
Okay.
on the right.
Hala, asan be?
Ayan o.
Why so traffic?
Hey, Mom.
People are going to the state park.
Oh, for sure.
Wait, can we go to the
Traffic
state park?
doon, traffic dito.
Wait, Mom, can we go to the
Yeah,
state
ito
park?
yung exit 19. Dito ko rin pala napunta. Yan lang yung diretso doon.
Be, may pulis be. Nanginginig yung ano ko be. Piklang-klang ko be.
Nangingi ako kay Mark na ano.
Na kami guys, hindi na kami nakapunta sa ano. Hindi kami nakapunta sa Marshall sa asan 'yun? Ako hada Bear Mountain. Kasi ang traffic, grabe. Tulungan kita yung bag mo, yung pagkain mo ba? So punta muna kami doon sa Marshall, doon tindahan. Okay, kailang ibutan na basura diha.
Ayun.
Kuray magkuan balay. Kalusa man ito. Shopping, tingin-tingin. Si Lloyd, sayang no, Bear Mountain. Kaso grabe yung traffic. Eh, ang dami ding taong nag-ano doon guys. Pumunta talaga doon.
Where's your mask? Where's your mask?
Oh, naroon ba na? Okay. Grabe ang legs ni Lloyd, lingin-lingin ba?
Bakit?
Mura pagkuan na hilabte.
Ano daw?
Ang legs mo ba? Sobrang hulma. Parang hindi pa na ganito pala yung presyo. Maganda oh.
Size ka? Sabi ko ang laki. Ito kasi yung size to.
Tingin-tingin lang kami dito, guys. Yung tingin-tingin. Mira, bili ka?
Ha?
Bibili ka? Mga damit-damit. Yun, oh, gusto ko yun, oh. Maganda yung color nito, oh.
Oo. Sweet color.
Kinda like very light pink.
Tami ba yan?
Tami? 60
Tami
bucks.
Hilfiger.
Oo. 60 bucks. Yun, ay, may pangbahay pala dito, Mira.
Ha?
Tanaw ko diri, pangbalay. Wala. Yun, guys. Oh, maganda siya, guys. Alin yung maganda, guys? Look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sabi pa ni Max, maganda
Wait, Mom,
daw
I'm
ito.
gonna go to Toys. I have $5.
Pero gusto ko to,
I am.
guys. Para simple lang kasi, di ba?
Mom, I'm going to
Magkasya ba, ah?
Ano mo? Oh, di ba?
Oh, siya.
Kasya.
See?
Gani, kasi andin pwede mo lagay battery, mga gamit.
Yeah. Doon na.
Oh, sige na.
1, 2, 3.
Pareha kami Mira itim.
I mean,
Kunin mo yan, B. Bagay yan sa'yo. Kunin mo yan, bagay yan sa'yo.
Kumakalingkingin.
Oo.
Kalingkingin mo lang.
Ito na yung kunin ko,
1,
guys,
2, 3,
para.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Maganda yan, ano.
Para ganito na lang.
Make
Oo,
money at
ganyan
the
ba?
nail.
Hindi ka na mag-
Oh, kasi pero itong
Pero
$2, $3,
Ganito
4, 5, 6, 7. $8.
may malagyan naman siyang tinpo.
At saka may mga ano
That's
dito.
ugly.
Compartment.
That's ugly.
Sa loob din, meron din.
Yeah. You can put your...
Mom, I'm gonna go
You
to
can put
Toy
your-
B,
Store.
bagay sa'yo, B.
Toy Store.
Kunin mo yan.
As in, bagay sa'yo.
Sinasabi niya kunin ko yun kasi meron din.
Mom, can I go to
Hindi.
Toys?
Girly talaga siya.
Mom, can I go to Toys?
Kasi iniisip ko yan eh.
Ah, gusto mo to?
Hindi yung ganyan lang. Kaso lang may ganito kasi din ako.
Yun, bagay yan, B. Pwede pang lakad, pwede pang ano lang. Loko. Oh, bye, B.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Beha.
Ingat, B, ha?
Ingat sila sa akin.
Ingat sila sa akin.
Bye-bye.
Ingat, Be.
Sabihin mo kay Tami, hello.
Oo. Sige, ano ka? Pasok ka muna. Wag na. Gamitin mo pa yan?
Hindi, tatapon ko doon.
Hindi na ako natatapon.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, ha?
Sige, ano? Hintayin kita makapasok.
Bye, ingat.
Oo.
So then where are you now?
Right now. Hello, baby. Mira, give me the food. Look. Here's Max said it's for you. Look. Max give you that. Okay. Here. Here. Mira, give me the dog food. I am home, guys, and I called him. He said, "What? you come home late. I thought you're just going to pick up food."
No, I didn't think that you told me that.
I told him
I
that's.
said, oh, you're gonna be longer. No, we're just gonna pick up food separate. That's what to go. And I said, are you gonna bring people here? No, we're picking it up separate, and everybody's going home.
Yeah, but we eat.
That's
already.
what I was
I
told.
know.
Not what I thought. It's not like I just didn't listen. That's what you said.
Are you
Right?
mad?
No, but don't make it look like I just assumed.
You assumed,
I
hon.
assumed nothing.
Okay,
I know better to assume.
honey, you think I'm just really bad, I guess.
No, how many times I'm gonna go out? I'll be quick. I'll be right back in 8 hours later. So yeah.
Okay, here's your food here later for dinner, and then I have to cook the. I feel bad, guys, because the way he said it, he's laughing. That means he's sad alone.
I miss you. Come here.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh, you kidding? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be gone. Oh, you. I just miss you now. It's full of it. Knock it off, clown.
I miss you.
Puppy clowns.
I miss you so.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Oh my goodness.
Your son wants to try new dog food.
I know he likes it. Hoy, that's not for you.
I think you'll ever use it because you don't carry any other bag that you own.
It's a daily thing for me.
You will not. Huh? 10 years. You've got a bunch of bags you've never. Oh, I like this one. It's small. I carry it everywhere. Oh, I like this one. It's big. I carry it. I've never seen you carry one anywhere.
And this is gonna be wearing, okay?
So like every other female who has to have 1,500 pocketbooks but doesn't use any of them.
You know how much is this? Can you guess?
I don't know. $7.95.
Huh?
$7.95.
Hello, hun. So that means you're gonna yell at me.
Oh, I'm sorry. $12.95.
No, you're gonna yell at me.
$28.95.
Huh?
$28.95.
Down.
$24.95.
Hold on. $24.99.
No, that's close.
Is that bad? It's guess, hun.
Yeah, I got used to it.
Used to?
The big designer name for a few
Really?
Yeah.
No, now it's like Louis Vuitton. So ngayon, dito na tayo, di ba? Kauwi na. It's almost 5 o'clock. I-ano ko lang to i-marinate. Marinate ko siya, guys. Kasi kailangan i-marinate. Ano pa ba? Hindi, konting asin. Yung katulad, yung cast ko, na ano. Si Tami, ubo ng ubo. Ang ginawa, iwan ko kung bakit inopen yun. Yung door. Hi, Damps! You're hungry? I'll feed you. Wait. So, yun na lang yun. Loto ako, guys. Kasi naawa ako. Iniwan niya. Sabi pa niya, ang tagal ko raw. Sabi pa niya, hindi man ako nagagalit. Pero, iba yung sabi mo eh. Akala niya, uwi agad. Akala daw niya, uwi ako agad. Kaya, pagtawag ko, sabi niya, ang tagal lang pag-pick up ng pagkain. Tagal daw. Naawa naman ako. Akala niya, pick up ng food din dalhin sa bahay. Kasi tuloy na ano, natagalan kami. Hindi nakalimutan ko din siyang i-message. Na-message ko lang siya nung doon ako sa tindahan. Sabi ko, wala na akong battery.
You ate all that, right?
Perhaps, I guess. And Dimple's waiting for... I'm gonna cook
They're
this
constantly
later.
asking for food. It's not even 5 o'clock yet.
I'm gonna cook this later, okay? That's quick. I don't eat a lot of food. Only very little. I thinking just for you. Because I said, it's the price. It's cray. So the traffic was so bad. And that's why I'm good.
Took you longer to get here than it took me to get here from Westchester. How about you?
Yes, honey. I told you. The traffic is bad. Going over there is okay. going back here, we know already it's traffic, but I thought we're going to the Bear Mountain. It's more traffic, so we cannot back and then it's like traffic issue. Hello guys, naka-robe na ako kasi sabi ko ang ginaw. Tami said open the door, sliding door kasi sabi pa niya ear daw, ear. So yun. Kaya, ito yung binili ko kay Tami. Sabi ko, pakita ko na lang sa inyo ha. Kasi, namahalan talaga ako. Look, and this is only for him because he like this. And I can make this, but I just want this for him. At saka nilagyan nila ng sauce. So there is a sauce for him. I don't know what kind of barbecue, but I think it's pork. Yun. At saka isa lang naman yung kinuha ko. Look. Ang mahal pa. Look, tignan nyo. Crunchy, guys.
Sorry, guys, I was getting you some turkey, but your mama's using both cutting boards.
Seriously, I don't use two cutting boards.
You don't? What's that?
You did that.
Excuse me? What did I cut over there?
Lahat, it's so cute. Charge natin yung cellphone kasi kanina pa pala itong low bat. What? You have to buy a thing?
We go after your back. I realize you're gonna be back so late.
Nah, guys, I will be. I can be hearing. I will be hearing this for 2 days. I'm back late.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, hon. Please,
Maybe
can you
2
just
months.
make it 2? Oh my God. Honestly, honey.
You'd be like, no, we're just going to pick up food. We're all taking it separate. Like, you get aggravated that I ask. We're just going to pick up food. We're not going to eat it. We're not going to bring it here and eat it. We're just going to take it in separate containers and everybody's going to go home.
Well, I was wrong.
That was the implication of how, well, you said you didn't say it, so that's how you said it.
What? Do you want me to massage you too?
No, I'm wiping my nose on you.
Aluloy. Massage. Adudoy. 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 Aluloy.
She said, I want to come up there and lie in that freaking
No,
chair with
please
you.
don't be. Don't let her, huh? My house is so comfortable. Are you comfortable with your house? Your house? Huh? You're not comfortable here? Why? Look, tapos na. Look. Diba? Salmon, tapos. Come.
Where am I coming? What are you doing exactly? I don't know.
Thumbnail. Wala. Ito na yung bag na nabili ko. Dalawa yun siya kasi kay Mira itong isa. Ako na lang yung nag-ano kasi umalis na siya. Ang taas kasi ng linya doon kanina. So kaya yun. Anyway guys, matulog na daw kami, sabi pa ni Tami. So, ako na busy ako sa kakaano ng ano. Na-excited ako, na-excited. So yun, ando na si Tami. Natutulog na siya, natutulog. You're not gonna be disappointed because I keep wearing this. YMCA. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Nagbihis yung asawa ko. Thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night. Say good night, Han. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.